So we're going to show E is irrational by contradiction here, Fourier style. So first we assume E is some rational A over B, right? So we're going to plug that A over B into our original X. And now looking for a contradiction, the first thing we're going to notice here is that by distributing our B factorial, like we do in this right equality here, we see that X is actually an integer since the first term is an integer. And then every fraction in the sum is actually an integer as well because N is less than or equal to B for each term. And so now if we use the fact that E is an infinite series of 1 over n factorial, we can just plug that in instead. And then simplifying those two gives us this right equality here. And we notice that X is greater than 0, right? Since we're just adding positive terms together. And so finally, we use this last equality from the middle here and notice that for all terms with n greater than or equal to b plus 1, we have this inequality at the bottom. And then we can just reindex our summation with k equal to n minus b like so. And then we can use the formula for our infinite geometric series to evaluate this as 1 over b, which is obviously less than or equal to 1 since b is some positive integer. And so we have our contradiction, right? As that first line implied x was some integer, and then these next two implied x was between 0 and 1. And so obviously both of those can't be true since there's no integer between 0 and 1. And so yeah, we're done.